We saw over $308,000 of increase in gross revenue, a profit increase of $84,000, and we've also received over $91,000 from just the workshops that we completed this year. I'm only seeing patients 2 days a week, and I'm just getting to spend more time with my family. My name is Todd Houghton from Houghton Physical Therapy in Attleboro, Massachusetts. So my background is pretty typical for a regular physical therapy business owner. I was overwhelmed, didn't know what to do. I had in-house billing, I had HR issues, I had every issue you could imagine. And I never did any marketing. I just did word-of-mouth marketing. So my main challenges were I didn't know what was going on with the marketing money I was spending. I didn't know where the money was going. I didn't know where the leads were gonna come from. We used to have 25% predictable, 75% unpredictable. Now, after the use of PhysioFunnels in 1 year, we have 80% predictable leads and 20% unpredictable leads, which is a huge win for me. In the last year, I've seen tremendous growth. We saw over $308,000 of increase in gross revenue, a profit increase of $84,000, and we've also received over $91,000 in just money from just the workshops that we completed this year. I have more time than ever in business. I have more time than ever to think, figure out what I need to look at, what I need to do. In my personal life, I'm only seeing patients 2 days a week, and I'm just getting to spend some time with the passions that really light me up, spend time with my wife and spend more time with my family. So what I love about using PhysioFunnels and the Ultimate Workshop Machine is now I have the framework of how to put on a workshop. I know how to run the workshop, number one. Number two, I don't wonder if anyone's gonna show up to my workshops anymore. They show up because PhysioFunnels does all the work. For any person out there that's looking and watching this interview right now wondering, should I do PhysioFunnels? It is easily the best thing I've ever done. I've created more wealth in my business. I've created more time for me and more freedom than I could have ever imagined with the use of PhysioFunnels. If you haven't decided to do it already, you need to do this now. PhysioFunnels is amazing. The support that the team gives you is amazing. The framework that they give you, there's nothing else to think about it except I need to hire more PTs. I need to hire more teams. So your team will grow on top of you making the freedom and the success that you need.